I'm Brian Hickson, the Director of Neuroscience and founder of the Brain Performance Centers. Neuroscience research is revolutionizing mental health by identifying a very specific brain physiology at the core of anxiety and depression. Your brain is made up of billions of neurons emitting electrical activity called brain waves. Specific types of neurons produce slow brain waves. These neurons slow down your brain, similar to how your brakes slow down your car. Other types of neurons produce faster brain waves. These neurons speed up your brain, similar to how the gas pedal speeds up your car. Anxiety is a brainwave dysfunction where the brain loses its ability to slow down and return to its normal resting state. Anxiety symptoms often caused by fast wave neurons getting stuck in an overactive state, much like a spasm in a muscle or like driving a car with the gas pedal on all the time. This overactive state puts the brain in overdrive, causing obsessive thinking, compulsive tendencies, insomnia, agitation, excessive worry. It can even cause physical symptoms like teeth grinding and headaches and migraines and pain in the neck and shoulders. Depression, on the other hand, is typically a symptom of too many slow waves. Those neurons are slowing down the brain. It's like driving with your emergency brakes on or hiking with a 50-pound backpack on. This slowing down actually in the frontal portion of the brain can cause depression and overwhelm and lack of motivation, lack of engagement. It feels like everything takes so much energy to do anything. So how do you know if your brain's stuck producing too many fast or too many slow waves? An EEG is a clinical device used that measures the brain's electrical activity very much like an EKG records your heart activity. Your brain's electrical output is then compared to the world's largest normative control database based on people your same age. An EEG brain map uses color topography maps to identify the brain areas that are functioning within normal range, areas that are significantly over-functioning, and areas that are significantly under-functioning. An EEG brain map can then guide the most effective interventions to help correct specific brainwave dysfunction. We may need to address cellular nutrient deficiencies identified within the brain map. We may need to address specific genetic variants. Additionally, if the brain map shows very focal areas that are over or underactive, we may need to recommend neurofeedback to normalize that function. When you address the physiology causing the symptoms are also addressed. Every cell in your body is programmed to return to that nice, normal resting state. This is called homeostasis. Neurofeedback is a form of biofeedback that trains groups of neurons to return back to that nice, normal resting state. Neurofeedback is backed by hundreds of research studies from organizations like UCLA, Stanford, the US Army. It's a safe, highly effective, non-pharmaceutical intervention with lasting results. An EEG recording takes about 35 minutes. You simply wear a cap on your head and it records the brain's electrical activity, similar to sitting down and having an EKG on your heart. It's as safe as a stethoscope. To schedule a brain map, simply call our office or email us. Remember, if you don't address the physiology causing the symptoms, you can't address the symptoms.